of our newcomers, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out this video. I hope you really like it and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you really feeling me, go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the Tulip Nation, aka my aliens. Yeah, I hit y'all all with a twist on that one, right? Yeah, I think I want to change it from y'all being my tulips to y'all being my little aliens. Like, how y'all feel about that? Let me know down in the comment section below. So, you guys, I want to show you what product I have been using when doing my DIY micro locks. This is also the very same product that I use for my current micro locks, but that's a whole different conversation. Anyway, so let's get into this product. So the product that I want to share with you guys is none other than the Oars Lock Twist Gel. You guys, so I really love this stuff. This is the gel that I used each time I did my DIY locks twice before, y'all. I love this stuff. I love the way that it leaves my hair filmy afterwards. I just love how it makes it look more uniform. So why did I purchase this product to even begin with? So I purchased this product to even begin with because I was like, well, not sure what I should use. I had not done any research on this particular product. I literally just went into Walmart and I saw this product and it was the most affordable, so I went on and I purchased it. So I really went out on a limb when I purchased this. However, you guys, that was a big chance that I took, and it turned out to be a good investment, okay? Even though it was a cheap investment, it was a great investment. Which brings me to the price of this product. If I recall correct, I think it may have been about $2.99. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it was something like that. It was definitely less than $5, if I recall correctly. But what I will do is try to see if I can find the price, and then I'll put it down in the description box below, or I'll just put it up somewhere, up in here somewhere, so you guys can see. Now, let's just jump right into the easy stuff, because y'all know how I am. I'm all about the senses. So the smell of this product. It doesn't smell the best. I'm gonna be honest. Smell it for yourself. Don't smell the best, but again, the product is effective. So it has a smell I can't even describe, okay? But it's not great. The good thing is the scent does not linger, so it's not going to affect all your cute lotions and perfumes and potions that you like to throw on yourself. The texture of this gel is extremely lightweight. Again, like I told you guys before, I've used this product times before in doing my DIY locks, and I really liked it. So that's why you only see this much in here. But back to the texture, it is very light. You can just stick your finger in there. See that? It's very light weight. It's fluffy, it's airy. It's not like a really thick gel. You know, it's got some texture to it in its own right, but it's not thick that it's gonna just turn you off, okay? But it does have texture to it. It's light with texture, if that makes any sense. So as you guys can see, it is a gel, so that's why nothing comes out, because it's a gel. It's jiggly, it moves about, it is a gel. Guys, this product is extremely easy to use. You still get a lot of movement using this product, which I absolutely love.